Did you know sludge buildup and carbon deposits are among the leading causes of premature engine wear? Many drivers believe the only way to clean an engine properly is by tearing it apart and spending thousands of dollars on repairs. But here's something interesting. Japanese mechanics have long relied on preventative cleaning methods and maintenance techniques that help keep engines remarkably clean internally without removing major engine components. In fact, it is one reason why many Japanese vehicles regularly reach 300,000, 400,000, or even 500,000 miles on their original engines. In this video, we are going to reveal the 5 Japanese tricks that can help clean your engine internally without taking it apart. Some of these methods cost less than a cup of coffee, but could potentially save you thousands in future repairs. Let's get started. Trick number 1. The warm engine oil flush method. One of the oldest Japanese workshop tricks involves performing an engine oil flush immediately before an oil change. Over time, engine oil accumulates sludge, varnish, microscopic metal particles, and combustion contaminants. These deposits stick to internal engine components and gradually reduce efficiency. The trick is simple. Drive the vehicle for about 15 to 20 minutes until the engine reaches full operating temperature. Warm oil flows much better than cold oil and suspends contaminants more effectively. Once the engine is warm, add a quality engine flush product according to the manufacturer's instructions and let the engine idle for the recommended time. As the flush circulates through the oil passages, it loosens sludge and deposits hiding inside the engine. After the flush process is complete, drain the oil immediately while it's still hot. You will often notice the oil coming out significantly darker because it's carrying away contaminants that were previously stuck inside the engine. Once the initial rush of hot oil slows down to a standard drip, leave the plug out, set a timer, and walk away for exactly 30 minutes. This double drain technique ensures that nearly 100% of the old oil is removed. Follow this with fresh oil and a high-quality filter. This simple procedure can dramatically improve engine cleanliness without removing a single bolt. Trick number 2. Italian tune-up. A surprising study conducted by automotive engineers found that vehicles driven primarily on trips shorter than 10 miles can accumulate carbon deposits at nearly twice the rate of vehicles regularly driven on highways. Why? Because many short-trip engines never reach the temperatures required to burn off moisture and carbon residues effectively. Japanese technicians often recommend a controlled highway drive every few weeks. Once the engine is fully warmed up, maintaining highway speeds for 20 to 30 minutes allows combustion temperatures to rise sufficiently to help reduce carbon buildup. During these drives, exhaust gas temperatures can exceed 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. These higher temperatures help clean combustion chambers, spark plugs, piston crowns, and exhaust components. Many drivers notice improved throttle response afterward because the engine is operating closer to its intended design conditions. For vehicles that spend most of their lives in city traffic, this trick can make a surprisingly noticeable difference. Trick number 3. The PCV valve cleaning secret. One of the smallest parts on your engine can have one of the biggest impacts on cleanliness. The positive crankcase ventilation valve, commonly known as the PCV valve, continuously removes harmful gases from inside the crankcase. Every minute your engine runs, combustion gases sneak past piston rings and enter the crankcase. These gases contain moisture, soot, unburned fuel, and acidic compounds. Research has shown that moisture contamination alone can accelerate sludge formation dramatically. In cold climates, repeated short trips can leave enough moisture inside an engine to create a milky sludge mixture under the oil cap. Japanese technicians routinely inspect PCV valves because a restricted valve can trap these contaminants inside the engine. Many PCV valves cost less than $20, yet replacing a clogged unit can significantly reduce future sludge formation. Considering that some engine repairs caused by severe sludge can exceed $3,000, it may be one of the best maintenance investments a driver can make. Trick number 4. Cleaning the throttle body and intake system. According to automotive service data, dirty throttle bodies are among the most common causes of rough idle complaints in vehicles with over 75,000 miles. Every time your engine runs, small amounts of oil vapor pass through the intake system. These vapors mix with dust particles and gradually form sticky deposits. Over tens of thousands of miles, these deposits can reduce airflow and affect throttle response. Japanese technicians often inspect throttle bodies during routine maintenance because airflow restrictions develop slowly and are difficult for drivers to notice. Cleaning these deposits restores proper airflow and allows the engine management system to operate more accurately. Start by removing the intake hose connected to the throttle body while the engine is off. Open the throttle plate manually if electronic system allows safe movement. Spray throttle body cleaner onto a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe the throttle plate and surrounding carbon buildup until clean metal is visible. Allow it to dry completely before reassembly. Start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes so the ECU can recalibrate airflow. If needed, lightly spray intake cleaner in short bursts while the engine is running, as per product instructions. Many drivers frequently report smoother acceleration and more stable idling immediately after service. Trick number 5. The multiple short oil change strategy. When an engine already contains years of accumulated sludge, Japanese technicians often avoid aggressive cleaning methods. Instead, they rely on multiple short oil change intervals. This strategy is based on the principle that slow cleaning is safer than rapid cleaning. A heavily sludged engine may contain deposits that have been accumulating for over a decade. Removing them too quickly can clog oil passages and filters. Instead, technicians install fresh synthetic oil at a quality filter, drive the vehicle for 1,000 to 2,000 miles, and then change the oil again. Each oil change removes another layer of contaminants. Over several cycles, the engine gradually becomes cleaner internally. Many mechanics have successfully restored neglected engines using this approach without ever opening the engine. Although it requires patience, it minimizes risk and allows detergents in the oil to do their job safely and effectively. The bottom line is, engine cleanliness can't be achieved with a single miracle product. It is the result of multiple small maintenance practices performed consistently over many years. These methods have helped countless Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Mazda, and Lexus engines exceed 300,000, 400,000, and even 500,000 miles without major internal repairs. Follow these Japanese engine cleaning secrets consistently, and your engine will have a much better chance of delivering decades of reliable service without ever needing to be taken apart.